Hey, numbnuts, what are you doing?
My hot rod stopped working.
Your hot rod?
I was at a stoplight, and this group of beautiful Polly Pockets pulls up next to me. I rev the engine to show the ladies what LJ's got cooking under the hood, and boom! My red dragon just quits working.
When's the last time you looked under the hood of your red dragon?
Well, what do you mean?
I mean, when's the last time you've changed your oil or checked your fluid levels?
Says the Red Dragon was made in 1997, so let's say never.
Well, that's your problem. Preventive maintenance is priority number one. Doing this will prevent the buildup of harmful deposits that will rob fuel consumption, power, and will shorten the life of your precious Red Dragon.
Sounds like a lot of work.
A little work now will save a lot of money later.
Good point. Okay, well, Jer, can you help me change my oil?
Sure thing. What kind does it take?
AA.
Oh, LJ.